Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Learning languages by listening and practicing. Let's start. Conversation 1. Choosing a restaurant.
Hey, Sarah. I'm really craving something delicious tonight. Any recommendations for a good restaurant around here?
Hi. Well, there's this fantastic Italian place called Pasta Paradise just a few blocks away. The pasta dishes are amazing, and they have a cozy atmosphere.
That sounds perfect. I'm in the mood for Italian. Do they have online menus, or should we head there to check it out?
They do have an online menu. We can take a look together. I highly recommend their signature dish, the truffle mushroom pasta.
Truffle, mushroom pasta. That sounds incredible. Let's check the menu and decide what we want to order.
Sure thing. I'll pull up the menu, and we can plan our delicious evening.
Conversation 2. Placing the order.
Good evening. We've decided on what we'd like to order. Can we get the truffle mushroom pasta for both of us, please?
Certainly. Excellent choice. Would you like anything to start? Perhaps an appetizer or some garlic bread?
Yes, let's start with the garlic bread. And can we also get a Caesar salad to share?
Got it. Truffle mushroom pasta, garlic bread, and a Caesar salad. Anything to drink?
I'll have a glass of the house red wine, please. And for my friend, do you have any non-alcoholic fruity drinks?
Absolutely. We have a refreshing peach and mango mocktail. Will that be suitable?
Sounds perfect. We'll take one of those.
Wonderful. Your order will be up shortly. Enjoy your meal.
Conversation 3. Dining experience.
This truffle mushroom pasta is incredible. I'm so glad we decided to try it.
Right, and the garlic bread and Caesar salad complement it perfectly. I'm loving the ambiance here too.
It's a great find. The service is excellent, and the staff is friendly. I'm really enjoying this dining experience.
Me too. I'll definitely be coming back here. Oh, and don't forget to save room for dessert. They have a killer tiramisu.
Tiramisu is my weakness. Let's order that when we finish our main course.
Friend, agreed. This has turned into a perfect dining night. Cheers to good food and good company.
Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.